outrageous!
Can't believe it. It's just completely, utterly in awe here.
That is a complete scandal. That is quite out of this world. I don't believe it! I don't believe it!
This game, you've got to be a little bit cagey, really, a little bit clever about your shot selection and your tactics. You can already hear the crowd warming up.
And out.
I've said it before with this venue. For me, it's one of the best, if not an OTOC. Good improvisation there.
7-3.
Very relaxed. A lot more relaxed than when he was... 7-game balls. Marwan.
(11-3) game 2. Shibagi leads 1 game to low.
You could just see by his facial expression there, he didn't expect it to be as easy as that either, Marwan. He's building, isn't he? He's quite happy to build here, Daryl Selby. He's had to move quickly here. This boast from Marwan El-Shibagi is a very good boast. Daryl Selby's had to move quickly, and this is a point I'm trying to make about taking the ball short quickly. He's moved quickly, and he's not got there. He's nowhere near it, Marwan. Yeah, accelerated, used this of a loss of concentration, really, for Shibagi Jr. We had 6 down the middle, 6 unforced errors from Selby in the first, 5 now from El-Shibagi in the second. That is a terrific line. You can't hit that any cleaner.
And out 8-9.
Perfect. Perfect shot. That's a great line. Great reaction though. He just saw it clip the nick, Selby. Great pickup.
Yeah!
Oh, what a celebration there from Daryl Selby. That's what I like.
11-8.
That was awesome.
Game 2 Selby. 1 game more.
Stunned. That was a brilliant response. That is wicked. Never seen him that animated ever. It's well played. Oh, unlucky for Selby because he had him doing on a stroke earlier, couldn't he? I would like to see him take that ball short though when he's in front. Yeah, a bit earlier. He's kind of held and taken it deep, and Marwan's already quite deep in the back of the court. Tee position of Marwan is deep. No, it's a lovely shot. That's very clinical. Massive shot. There's the clenched fist. It's one of the best shots that Selby's played. Played another one earlier that was even better.
9-8.
Very relaxed on that. He'll definitely be feeling this. Daryl Selby to go into a tie break for obvious reasons. It's match ball, slightly scrappy back end to a terrific match between these two. He's got it. Wow. Good strength around the middle. Unbelievable effort from Daryl Selby.
2 games to 1.
Marwan El-Shibagi managing to close it out.
8-11. 11-9.
Terrific match to kick us off. Daryl Selby, 51 minutes for the best of 3, which is a great time duration. 20-minute third game. Daryl Selby so close. Really drawing. You're looking at a 35-year-old here. It's extraordinary. But Marwan winning 2 games to 1. Yeah, here's the finish. Final rally. Wrong footer again from Marwan El-Shibagi. Selby on the floor, and it's a relief for the Jackal. Fantastic performance from Selby in the end. Great game to watch, Joey. No. Well, it's certainly showing, especially in the tournament in Chicago. It's pretty phenomenal.
focus and the hunger is there, but he's playing against a guy who's having playing some of the best squash in his life.
He loves that shot.
He does.
Simon Rosner played that shot 3 times in New York, and every time he won the rally, deceived his opponents to get on the volley like he does anyway, but then change the angle. It's
That's good play from Shibagi. Rosner not happy. He's not going to ask for a let, but he did get.
He's caught deep in the court there,
he was.
Parky. He was caught deep. Shibagi didn't do anything wrong here. Shibagi didn't do anything.
Severe hitting on his backhand.
Wow!
Oh.
As PJ would say, the leisure centre boast. Shibagi has a wry smile at Herr Rosner. Looked like he was going to go cross court. That is a shot and a half.
Yeah, and I think a little bit more variation as well will help, because as you say, he isn't going to hit out hit Shibagi.
Well, that's clever. Then the confidence exuding from El Shibagi as this second goes on. Having that first game under your belt in a best of 3 is just what the doctor ordered. Well, that was it was a double grunt. Oh, that's wild! That's seriously wild from Rosner. What was he doing there? He was not in a balanced position. The whole body was moving. There's the grunt. Here comes the wild one.
Well, it's a rush of blood to the head, isn't it? And then he goes to the next one, misses that as well.
Yeah, huge frustration there for Rosner. Semi-finals here in London town. Too good from Shibagi. Too good. Rosner furious. He wanted to do better than that. You see that. Shibagi pointing to his temple. Doesn't half give his temple a bludgeoning with that pointing.
And that's his thing now, isn't it? When he wins, we're seeing that a lot. The point to the temple.
I mean, but he actually
does it hard, doesn't he?
Does it hard, and it's, you know, it's a pressure point area. 28 minutes, and it was straightforward in the end for Shibagi. 2-game-to-love victory over Herr Rosner.
All the best in the games of last night.
Just purely in terms of movement.
Well, he's so. I mean, he is like water on the court. Yeah. He's got that cat-like acceleration. I mean, he's the most similar, if that's the right English player out there, to what Janchar Khan was in terms of the movement. Don't you agree?
Yeah,
you played Janchar Khan, so
agree.
you can speak firsthand, yeah?
Yeah, I never played Ali Farag, but yeah, I played Janchar Khan far too many times and lost. He was exceptional. Yeah. Did lose most of the time, yeah, that's very true.
So did.
Hand out, 10-9, game ball.
Yeah, just picking his punches well. Still want to see that hold and whip cross court. Game ball for the Egyptian.
There's that rock footing shot again, especially on the volley. So depth and subtle. Kiskelly doing so much work.
Oh, it's very good. He's very, very good. He's about 16 or 17 as qualifying.
Oh dear. Oh, I'm laughing, but I think something's happened to Kiskelly.
Well, he's injured himself, isn't he?
Yeah.
Which is an absolute shocker.
Yeah,
it can't be cramped. So, well, I hope he hasn't. He's laughing at him, but I hope he hasn't pulled something. If it's cramped, then it's cramped. But if he's pulled something, that's an absolute nightmare for him. Nightmare.
Yeah, just in the middle of the rally there, he did sort of a strange dance, and you could see that something strange was happening.
Well, I hope for his sake it is cramped, because if he's pulled something.
The player must win by 2 points.
Well, Ali Farag narrowing it down.
Available.
I mean, if he is getting from Kiskelly. Wow! Oh. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming.
One game over.
Well, he raises his hands to the crowd. Skelly struggling to get out of the court. Players carrying on when you've got somebody that is obviously struggling a lot and playing nearly off one leg. Thing is, though, it's like if he does get past Farag, that's great, some more money and points, but he can't back play the next day. Parky.
Yeah, I mean, he's not going to get through this, I don't feel.
And
it's only 3 points difference here. Difficult playing a wounded animal sometimes. I knew that was going to happen.
Love the old shot of the month. That's certainly got in now, I think. And that was as dead as in.
Look at his preparation. The preparation on his forehand is...
Double dodo. Will be match ball.
6 match balls.
Oh.
Down.
Well,
11-4, match to Farag.
Ali Farag through, but Ryan Skelly needs to get on the physio table. Let's get some ice on that straight away. That's going to be the start of the recovery for him. He's time is his enemy. Time is his enemy. Very sad with everything that's coming up for Ryan Kiskelly, particularly the way he was playing in that match. .46 minutes, Farag overcoming Kiskelly, 2-1.
Playing some fabulous squash.
French Open.
Oh, wow.
Goodness me, that was hit with power.
The racket head speed was the thing for me. I mean, it was just, it was down on it. He really whipped it, didn't he? Just effortless movement for a moment.
Well, he never has a bad movement day. I've said that before. I mean, you know that you're already quids in if you're not going to have a bad movement day. Tariq Momin's concentration, his maturity in his game, the last phase of this 2017-18 season has been supreme. 5 game balls, marksman can't quite contain him, and that's what the Englishman needs to do. Needs to cut these angles down, that's better. Still the ball comes back. Oh, wow. Just all over James Willstrop. Willstrop has got a huge amount to do, because Tariq Momin...
Yeah, he's making Willstrop do some really, really awkward movements. If you can even get there, obviously that was taken advantage of. The loose shot from Willstrop down the middle.
See the amount of work on the face of Tariq Momin in this match so far already. That's a great shot. Oh, that's a good shot. That's such a good shot. Tariq shaking his head at the quality.
Well, from here, I think we knew he was going to do that, didn't we? But yeah, Momin had to cover that short shot.
Light. He's read it. He's got it straight. Momin doesn't dispute it. He knows it. James Willstrop hangs on by a thread.
1 game all.
Such a stubborn character.
A few issues really for Willstrop at the start of this third.
Yeah.
Does work well, the heavier drop shot against Tariq Momin.
And out. 1-3.
In a way, because he's so quick, if you hit it really
Yeah,
short.
I mean, it seems obvious. A bit straighter, perhaps. All credit to Tariq Momin. He's played at a really fast pace, just a little bit of luck. Combined with years and years of practicing cross courts.
Classic.
Not up.
Well, the tempo
11-7. Match the
eating
moment.
into the legs
2 games to 1.
and lungs of James Wallstrop.
11-5.
It was a sprint
9-11.
from the word go.
11-7.
The Viper flying around the court as usual, but also playing with good consistency, good mental toughness there for Tariq Momen. He could have got a lot very edgy at 7-all, but he kept solid. 46 minutes victory, Momen in 2 games to 1.